Hello there. This is MD. With you here on Everything PS. Here we go again. We are with a new Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, we are gonna talk about how to adjust color vibrance in Adobe Photoshop. If you are interested, stay tuned. Adjusting the intensity of color in a photograph can have a big impact. In this video, we'll explore how to do that with the vibrance adjustment. You can follow along with this image from the links down below in the description box. First, whenever you're applying a direct adjustment to an image, you want to make sure that you have the layer selected that contains the image. Here we just have a single layer in this photograph, so it's not a problem. But if you have a multi-layer image, then you should check the layers panel first. Now let's say that we want to make the color of this sweater richer or more intense, but we don't want his skin to look too saturated. That's a perfect job for vibrance adjustment. To apply vibrance adjustment, I go up to the image menu, choose adjustments, and here there are two kinds of adjustments that would affect color intensity. There's vibrancy, and there's hue saturation. When skin color is involved, or when you need a subtle enhancement to color intensity, then vibrance is the best choice. We'll cover hue saturation and talk about when it's most useful in another video in this series. I'll select vibrance here, and that opens the vibrance dialog box. In this dialog box, you have two choices: saturation or vibrance. You can use them singly, or you can use them together. Let's see what they do. If I drag the saturation slider over to the right, you'll see right away that the intensity of all the colors is ramped up. Not only does the sweater become a richer, more intense dark red, but the intensity of the flesh tones and of the loom increases too. And it is too strong an effect in this photo, so I'm going to put saturation back to 0. I'll just type 0 in its value field. Instead, let's try dragging the vibrance slider to the right. Vibrance does a more subtle job of intensifying color, and it protects the flesh tones from oversaturation. Let's compare a before and after view by clicking the checkbox to the left of the preview. That's how the image looks without the vibrance adjustment. And here's how it looks with the vibrance adjustment. We've managed to make the sweater stronger dark red without overdoing the subject's face. If you're happy with the result, click OK. And go to the File menu. Choose to save as. And I suggest that you change the file name so you don't save over the original photo with the suggested version. So that's how to subtly increase color intensity by applying a vibrance adjustment. We applied this adjustment directly to the photo, but it could be applied as a flexible adjustment layer. That's a topic we'll cover in another video in this series. Now, let's see what you learned. To adjust vibrance. 1. In the menu bar, select Image, Adjustments, Vibrance. 2. Experiment by adjusting the sliders. The vibrance slider affects the intensity of colors. It has the strongest effect on muted colors in the image. The saturation slider increases the color intensity of all colors in the image. 3. Click OK when you're done. And here we go. We are done for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment down below in the comments section. And if you are interested in Adobe After Effects, take a look at our second channel, Saskiano. See you next time.